Hey guys, I just noticed that my skin looks amazing. What did I do? I went to exercise good and hard at F45. Go check them out, by the way. But for all my skin fanatics, is that what's missing? Maybe it's not another treatment, another this, another that. All those things are fabulous, but doesn't it make sense, since the skin is the largest organ on our body, that if we take care of our bodies, we take care of our skin? I'm always telling my patients, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. I love coconut water. The more hydrated you are, less wrinkles, fuller lips, you feel better, you're less tired, you have less body pain. But if you won't do it for your health, do it for your face. Your face will look a lot better if you're hydrated, right? We always encourage people to detox, detox, detox. Everyone needs a detox. I don't care how healthy you are. You need a detox quarterly. Not all detoxes are created equal. That's for another video, right? And then we put in the liver support and the nutrition. You are what you eat. Remember that saying? Okay, you want to feel alive and healthy and vibrant? Eat things that are alive and healthy and vibrant. It's pretty simple. It's not that complicated. You don't even need a nutritionist. You look at it, you know, is this good for me? Is this going to raise my vitality or not? And you know, and you can choose accordingly. Of course, we're going to slip up and, you know, but then you feel it. You feel it. Like maybe you'll get acne. Maybe you'll get bloated. Maybe you'll get tired. Maybe your arthritis is going to flare up. But if you're paying attention, you feel what you eat. That's it.